it comes to the money they make, not all books are created equal. The hard part of writing a book is often overshadowed by the critical decision of choosing the correct type of book to publish, a choice that can either make or break your income. So, what kind of books actually bring in consistent profits on Amazon KDP and beyond? And which ones barely pay for your coffee? That's what we're getting into today. Before we break down specific book types, let's quickly talk about what affects how much money a book makes. It's not just about the topic or genre. It's also about format, pricing, length, and how readers interact with the content. Books that perform well typically meet a clear need, have room for multiple formats, and target audiences known to be willing to spend. On the flip side, low-profit books might look appealing because they're easy to create, but they rarely bring in consistent income. Let's start with a proven winner, series-based fiction. Romance, thrillers, fantasies, these genres tend to bring in strong profits when you write them as series. Why? Because readers binge them like Netflix shows. If you write book one and it hooks readers, you're not just selling one book. You're selling 5, 6, or more. The read-through revenue accumulates, and each new book enhances the visibility of the entire series. Even better, you can price each book at $3.99 or $5.99 and still stay competitive. Next, nonfiction books that solve real problems. Think how-to guide, niche skill building, financial advice, health tips, anything that gives readers a clear, useful outcome. Nonfiction books that provide a tangible solution to a real problem are a hit among readers who are searching for answers. This translates to better conversion rates and the ability to charge higher prices, especially for print. A well-crafted nonfiction book can sell for $12.99 to $19.99 in paperback and up to $9.99 in ebooks. One of the most effective ways to boost profits over time is by publishing evergreen content, books that remain relevant year after year. If your book isn't tied to trends or short-term fads, it can keep earning you royalties for years without constant updates or relaunches. Evergreen books build long-term income and require fewer marketing sprints. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And if you want to stay updated, turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Let's talk about the first low profit trap: generic low content books. This includes things like blank journals, notebooks, or plain planners, especially ones without a clear theme or niche. These were hot a few years ago, but today the market is flooded and most sell for $5 to $7, leaving you with $1 or less per sale. On top of that, competition is brutal and the content is easy to copy. Publishing a standalone fiction book can be a great creative outlet. Still, financially, it's a challenge, especially without a series to back it up. One book, one opportunity to earn. If you don't have follow-ups or a marketing machine behind it, it's tough to sustain momentum. And standalone books often don't justify the time and cost compared to building a series. If you're feeling stuck or not sure how to get your book published, I offer personalized coaching to guide you step by step from first draft to hitting publish. Whether you're just starting or ready to release your book, I'll help you move forward with confidence. I offer 4 different levels: quick clarity call, a focused one-on-one session to specific publishing questions, introductory session, a quick strategy session to assess where you are in your publishing journey, self-publishing power hour, a deep dive one-on-one strategy session tailored to your publishing goals, and the indie author jumpstart, 3 one-hour coaching calls to take your book from draft to publication. Check out the link in the description. Finally, let's talk about trend chasing. This includes books built around viral topics, temporary trends, or pop culture references that won't last. The problem here is the short shelf life. Even if you hit sales early, those books usually die off fast. And you may find yourself constantly creating new books just to keep up. Beyond the type of book, the format you choose can make or break your profit margin. Let's say you publish a nonfiction guide that's 25,000 words long. As an ebook, you might price it at $4.99 and earn roughly $3.49 per sale at the 70% royalty rate. Sounds great, right? But if you also release that same book in paperback and hardcover, your earning potential grows significantly. The same content earns you more in print and audio formats, especially if you're writing in a niche where people value physical books like business, self-help, or education. Another way to boost income with high profit books is by bundling. If you've written a fiction series or a set of related nonfiction guides, you can bundle them into a box set and price it higher. Readers love the convenience and you earn more from each sale, even if you discount the bundle a little. 3 ebooks at $3.99 is $11.97. Box set price, $8.99. Royalty about $6.29. Better than selling one book. This also helps boost read through and can bring in KU page reads if you're in Kindle Unlimited. How do these book types translate to actual earnings? Here's a realistic snapshot for first-year authors publishing in different spaces. These are general ranges, not promises, but they'll give you a feel for where money tends to come from. These numbers increase rapidly if you're publishing consistently, marketing effectively, or using ads. But even without a big budget, the type of book you choose puts a cap on what's possible. If you're just starting out and wondering what to write, here's a quick decision framework. Do you want fast revenue or long-term growth? Are you more comfortable with fiction or nonfiction? Do you have ideas for a series or only one book? Does your topic solve a problem or entertain? Match your answers to a book type that aligns with your strengths, goals, and audience. And remember, profit doesn't mean quick. It means sustainable, repeatable income over time. So let's quickly run through a few common mistakes that kill profit, even if the book seems profitable. Underpricing. Selling your book for 99 cents when readers would pay $4.99. Poor cover design. Every great book won't sell with a bad cover. No back-end product. Not offering other books, email signups, or upsells. targeting the wrong audience, writing an excellent book for people who don't exist on Amazon. Your audience's preference and needs are the foundation of your book's success. You can write a great book, but if your pricing, presentation, or positioning is off, it won't matter. Profit comes from the complete package, a quality product, that right audience, and a sound strategy. Not all books earn the same. The book type you choose matters a lot. Go for series, evergreen content, or problem-solving nonfiction if you want sustainable income. Avoid book types that are easy to make but hard to sell. Think beyond just writing. Format, price, and market fit is everything. If you want to learn how to price, format, and launch a book to earn real royalties, check out this video where I share what it takes to make money in self-publishing. Click on this video and I will see you there.